Protect Your Identity, a presentation on identity theft by Anthony Roberson, CRJ 626, Instructor Laughlin. How identity theft occurs. Identity theft can occur at any time and can be associated with any electronic interaction, online shopping, social media activity, email usage, visiting secure websites, or visiting unsecure websites, participating in risky internet practices, or being conservative in your internet activity. Identity theft starts with the misuse of your personal information, such as your name and social security number, credit card numbers, or other financial account information. For identity thieves, this information provides access to your finances and private life. Skilled identity thieves may use a variety of methods to get hold of your information, including these: dumpster diving, skimming, phishing, changing your address, old-fashioned stealing, pretexting. There is no protection against these professional internet thieves. The only protection is self-monitored internet use. Do not ever volunteer information that you want to keep private over the internet. No information generated over the internet is ever private. All safety precautions are made to be dismantled, disabled, and destroyed. A hacker's nature is to break down and analyze all relevant technology. New technology equates to new hacks. This is how we protect ourselves. This internet identity thievery is all just another governmental conspiracy. Albert Gonzalez, the mastermind, the largest credit card heist in U.S. history, engaged in electronic breaches that hit some of the largest national retail chains. The breaches access millions of credit card and debit card accounts. Hackers simply search for information to sell to those who extract and process the information. Identity theft has ran rampant and out of control since the early 90s and does not look like it will ever be stopped. Albert Gonzalez was proven to be an undercover agent employed by the U.S. government, similar to Danilo Blandone. There was no laws concerning identity theft until Congress passed the Identity Theft and Assumption Deterrence Act of 1998. Only then was identity theft officially listed as a federal crime. The act strengthened the criminal laws governing identity theft. Specifically, it documents officially making identity theft a federal crime. The Identity Theft and Assumption Deterrence Act accomplished four things. It made identity theft a separate crime against the individual whose identity was stolen and credit destroyed. Previously, victims had been defined solely by financial loss, and often the emphasis was on banks and other financial institutions rather than the individuals. It established the Federal Trade Commission as the federal government's one center point of contact for reporting instances of identity theft by creating the Identity Theft Data Clearinghouse. It increased criminal penalties for identity theft and fraud. Specifically, the crime now carries a maximum penalty of 15 years imprisonment and a substantial fine. It closed legal loopholes which previously had made it a crime to produce or possess false identity. My references page. Again, production by Anthony Roberson. Thank you.